Hello friends, welcome to Health and Gardening. In this video, we are going to see 8 important tips for caring snake plant. Snake plant is one of the most popular and hardy species of houseplants. Because of their adaptability and tolerance, they are often used as houseplants. Their broad leaves absorb toxins and carbon dioxide and producing oxygen to help purify the air. According to Chinese culture and belief, snake plants are treasured houseplant because it was believed that the 8 gods bestowed their virtues upon those who grow the snake plants. Snake plants can live a long healthy life without daily care, though they do need some care in order to stay healthy. So friends, it is always good to familiarize yourself with plants' basic preference and needs. In this video, I am explaining you 8 important tips for caring snake plant. First tip is about sunlight. Indirect sunlight is ideal for snake plant. While they can withstand full sun and handle low light, they grow more quickly in brighter light, but strong direct sunlight may burn the leaves, especially when the plants are outdoors. An ideal spot for snake plant is about 10 feet away from west or south windows. Second tip is about watering. Always avoid overwatering to snake plant. Allow the soil to dry in between waterings. Snake plant can easily rot, so make sure that the soil is well drained and don't water it too much, especially in winter season. Try to water them monthly during the winter seasons. Next tip is about temperature. Temperature conditions are ranging from 55 to 85 Fahrenheit are fine for snake plant. However, they prefer warmer temperatures. So try to grow them in this ideal temperature range for better result. And you should note that temperatures below 50 Fahrenheit can cause harm to these snake plants. Next tip is about soil. Snake plants prefer loose, well-drained potting mix. Preferred pH of the soil is slightly acidic to slightly alkaline. As they are originate from deserts, these plants do well in sandier soils. Next is about potting and repotting. Snake plants are generally slow growers and rarely need repotting. But if it is given ample sunlight, they might grow rapidly and require repotting annually. You should repot these plants in spring season, and during repotting always use fresh potting soil. Next tip is about fertilizing. Fertilize snake plants with a mild cactus fertilizer during the growing season, or a balanced liquid slow release fertilizer diluted to half strength. Do not fertilize the snake plants during winter season. Next tip is about pest problems on snake plant. These hardy plants have few insects problems. It can become infested with mealybugs and spider mites. As these pests suck sap from the leaves, they cause small wounds and leaf sheddings. You can remove mealybugs with alcohol as a control method, and spider mites can be eliminated by washing the leaves and increasing the humidity around the snake plant. Next tip is about toxicity of snake plant. Toxicity levels of snake plants are low, although it's safest to keep pets away from your snake plant. Intake of snake plant may cause excessive salivation, pain, nausea, vomiting and diarrhea for your pets. So friends, try to check the above factors and tip I explained for you. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like this video, try to share with your friends and give your suggestions in comment box and subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.